How to share a screen with Google AI Studio. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Chrome and search aistudio.google.com. You'll find this kind of screen. Make sure you're logged into your account. Then on the left side, you will find Stream. Click on Stream. After you've clicked on Stream, on the left side, you will find this kind of screen pop up. In here, you'll find Share Screen at the bottom. Click on Share Screen. After you've clicked on Share Screen, you will find different options to share entire screen, window, or your Chrome tab. Select the one you prefer and press on Share at the bottom. After you've done that, your screen will be shared. You can click on Allow Audio. And then if you want to stop sharing, click on Stop Sharing at the top. And this is how to share screen with Google AI Studio. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.